Hello everyone, how to find maximum value in Excel with condition. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, customer name, product name, quantity and sales amount. So here I'm going to find the maximum value of particular product. So let's see how it's done. So I copy this product name and paste here. Then quantity, paste here. Then I copy this mouse product and paste here. In quantity, select the cell. Use the is equal to and use here dmax function. In dmax function, you can find the maximum value with condition. So select the first database. So I select here entire data. Just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then use here comma. Select the field. Field is a quantity. Then use comma. Then criteria is product name mouse. Bracket closed and press the enter. That's it. Here the maximum value of mouse 25. You can see the mouse 15 quantity, mouse 25, and here the mouse 18. Okay, so 25 is the max value. Now I copy this keyboard product and paste here. You can see the keyboard 35 is max quantity. So here keyboard 30, keyboard 20, keyboard 35 quantity is maximum quantity here showing. Okay, here 28. I copy this monitor and paste here. I see the monitor is 20 quantities, the max value in this column. So this is the way you can find maximum value in Excel with condition. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.